my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. I feel it's been ages since I've vlogged, which is probably true. It's been really long time since I've vlogged, but I'm vlogging again, which I'm very happy about. Now, this is not going to be a day in my life. It will probably be a week in my life. Basically, a collab of multiple days ka footage, which is great because a day in my life kind of boring ho jata hai. In a week in my life, I can choose and put important footages जो actually आप लोगों को मजा आएगा देखने में, right? So right now we are heading out to get a gift for Ajinkya's mom as well as my mom because दोनों का birthday आ रहा है and it's a little coincidental or weird, I don't know how to call it, but both of our moms का birth month is similar but the date is 3 days apart and मेरा और अजिंक्य का भी same है. The birth month is similar but the birth date is 3 days apart. Is it weird? Is it coincidental? Is it fate? I might be crazy, but that's what we are gonna do right now. We just came back and थोड़ी grocery shopping भी कर ली हम लोग ने. This always happens. Anytime we head out, there's something or the other we get it for the house because कुछ ना कुछ तो खत्म हो ही रहा होता है उस दिन. And gift wise we didn't get anything, but we got a pretty good idea about what we want to get. So एक दो दिन में जाके वो भी ले लेंगे हम लोग. Today is actually a shoot day for me and the room, my shoot room is a chaos. I do have a lot of work cleaning wise, so अभी मैं वो करूँगी because only then I'll be able to shoot. ये room में तो मैं ऐसे तो shoot नहीं कर पाऊँगी. So let's do that. This is the first time you guys are seeing this room a little done up. It's not finished yet. I think majority of it is still arriving. थोड़ा मोटा मोटा चीजें किया हुआ है हम लोगों ने. So this is a nice big 5x2 का mirror. मेरे को हमेशा से एक nice full length mirror चाहिए था अपने स्टूडियो में and finally your dream has come true. I wanted to get it from IKEA but that cost like a lot, 10,000 तक. This I got it done from a local carpenter at around 2.5 to 3 तक. As you can see price difference बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. एंड यहाँ पर मैंने अपने कपड़े रखे जो मुझे शूट में लगते हैं एंड द मेकअप एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ और ये सब मैं कवर्ड रखती हूँ एक कपड़े के अंदर बिकॉज धूल मिट्टी बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे खराब नहीं करना है. दैट्स द रीजन आई ऑलवेज रैप इट अप. आई स्टिल नीड टू हैव सम फर्नीचर टू कीप ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ. अभी है नहीं तो दिस इज द सेटअप एंड दिस कारपेट आई ऑलरेडी हैड तो आई जस्ट रीयूज दैट इन दिस हाउस. एंड ऑन दिस एंड यहाँ पर एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं होता है. आई कीप दिस रूम एज एम्प्टी एज पॉसिबल बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पर शूट करती हूँ. अभी यहाँ पर अजिंक्य को काम करना है. दैट्स द रीजन वी हैव केप्ट अ गद्दा ओवर हियर. यहाँ पर वो अभी काम करेगा एंड आई विल बी शूटिंग ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज अ प्रूफ. ये आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मेरे ओल्ड हाउस में देखा होगा. केप्ट अ ट्राइपॉड बिकॉज आज मुझे शूट करना है एंड आई हैव शिफ्टेड दिस बिग पाम ट्री ओवर हियर ताकि मैं मेरे बैकग्राउंड में कुछ तो हो. यहाँ पर अभी भी बहुत सारा काम बाकी है. आई हैव अ कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आइडिया ऑफ हाउ आई वांट टू डू दिस रूम बट अभी तक तो कुछ आया नहीं है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम वर्किंग विद. Good morning everybody. It's a beautiful and a very productive morning for me because आज अजिंक्य के मॉम का बर्थडे है एंड वी स्टिल हैवंट गॉट एनी गिफ्ट फॉर हर. सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग इन माई टू डू लिस्ट. टुडे इज वेडनेसडे. दैट मीन्स आई एम गोना अपलोड अ वीडियो और अभी तक मैंने वो शूट कंप्लीट नहीं किया. सो आई हैव टू शूट अ वीडियो, edit the video and make sure it gets uploaded at 6 PM. उसके बाद we also have to do stuff for the birthday party. बहुत काम है. Let's get started. To see her reaction. I think she'll love it. I also placed a bunch of order on Amazon for makeup and skincare. ये सारे items बहुत time से मेरे wish list में थे. I've been meaning to get them for a while now and I finally placed the order for it. अभी सब आ चुके हैं. Here it's a big item here and इधर भी है. So let's do a mini makeup and skincare haul.
So the first thing I got is Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Perfection Daily Solution Oil Serum. I don't know what it is, but it's suitable for blemish skin. Now I don't have a lot of blemishes on my skin, but I do get pimples and they do leave a nasty scar. This is great to get rid of all that pigmentation and just even out your skin tone. And also I got this for my husband as well. He does have blemished and uneven skin basically, so this is definitely going to be a great product. Next, let's open this big box. ये already मैं open करके देख चुकी हूँ. Now I wanted something to store my makeup items. अभी कुछ furniture है नहीं मेरे पास, as you can literally see it in the background. And जो makeup stuff है मुझे लगता है that I shoot over here. तो मैंने PR boxes में रखे हुए हैं. I definitely wanted something जहाँ पर धूल ना लगे and it's inside a box. So this is what I got. इस पे मैं lipstick and all वो सारी चीज़ें रख सकती हूँ. And it also comes with, it's a clear plastic stuff. And this is how it looks like. It has small cabinets like this. It looks so cute. So it has got two big ones as you can see over here and two small ones. I think this will be enough to keep my makeup. मेरे पास ज़्यादा makeup है नहीं वैसे, so I think ये enough हो जाएगा. And this goes on top of it और ऐसे ये fit होता है. So this is something. This is how it looks like. Next, I got a bunch of nail polishes. Now I love the look of fake nails, acrylics, nail polishes. बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty लगते हैं. And as you can see, I have none. I've never been a nail polish person, but recently I've been digging it a lot more than usual. मैंने सिर्फ अपने पूरी लाइफ में 2 बार पार्लर में जाके like a proper nail salon में जाके nails करवाए. One was for my wedding, I think. The second, I think मेरे birthday के टाइम पे कराए होंगे. So I do like it, but it's way too expensive, man. Spending 3,000 rupees every single month is not something that I really want to spend on. So I thought I should invest in some good nail polishes. So at least short hoge, but it will look really good. Okay, so the first one I picked up is Pictura nail polish. This is a French formula and ये pure black nail polish है. I haven't tried it yet, and this is from the brand Miniso, by the way. Reviews Amazon पे बहुत अच्छे थे, so I'm definitely excited to try this. I have been a sucker. I love black nail polishes, so I'm really excited for this one. The second thing I got is a clear polish. Is it a clear or a base? I think it's a clear polish. It's just a top coat basically, and this is again from Miniso ka. And the last one I got is this beautiful lavender color. बहुत ही pretty pastel color है, and I can't wait to try this. All three are from Miniso, by the way. Let's see इसमें क्या है. Right. So I got something to clean my brushes. मेरे इतने गंदे हो रखे हैं ना brushes. I really need to clean them. Looks something like this. और यहाँ पर ये suction ये भी है, तो it won't move when you're working on it. And it has a bunch of stuff over here तो आप clean कर सकते हो brushes. This is just a basic mat to clean your brushes, and I haven't tried it yet, so let's see. Next up, I got this is the Ordinary Retinol 1% in Squalane. This is highly stable, water-free solution of 1% pure retinol. I definitely wanted to invest in serums that has retinoids in it. This is great for anti-aging. I am 27 now. I know 30 के बाद ये सारी चीज़ों पे you should enter into anti-aging stuff, but this is retinol and इसको tolerance build करना पड़ता है. This is just 1%, so I definitely want to invest in something that will help me with the aging signs and stuff. I know my skin does not need it, but I definitely wanted to try it out. I know for foreign brands like The Ordinary, you can get fake products on Amazon, but this is a trusted distributor और इसका मैंने already product use किया हुआ है, the AHA BHA peeling solution. So I know वो product fake नहीं है, and I am hoping this is also not a fake product. I haven't tried it yet. Next up, I got 2 of the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. I love this too, that I've used it, I've raved about it in almost all of my skincare videos, and I really like it. I got 2 of those because एक ही है मेरे पास lip balm, वो ये studio room में रहता है. So I thought I should get more of these. One will be in the house, and I got one as a backup in case it finishes because ye lip balm is very notorious. Sometimes you just don't find it anywhere. So I definitely wanted a backup for it as well. It's great product. I would highly recommend it. Next thing I got is a rose water facial toner. You know I love this stuff. This is from the brand The Natural Wash. I was literally considering getting the Kama Ayurveda face toner, which is again a rose water toner, but the price difference is so much. This is like 400 rupees for 200 ml and that was like 1000 above for just a toner. So मैंने सोचा यही ले लेती हूँ. I've used this. I love this. And it just smells so authentic. There's no artificial color, fragrance, preservative free. It's really good. I would highly recommend this one. Next up, I got two more nail polishes. This is from the brand OPI. Now I know OPI is a really good brand and expensive as well. I paid 800 for one of these, so 1600 in total, which is a lot of money for nail polish, I feel. But 3000 के comparatively अगर ये मुझे last किया and it does give a gel polish finish, then it's definitely worth the investment. This is in the color Black Cherry Chutney. It's a beautiful bangan color. It's the exact same color as bangan, and it does have a red sparkle as well. It's not very chunky, very minute, literally looks very beautiful. दूर से देखोगे तो it will look like black, but in person it definitely gives a beautiful bangan color. And the second one I got is a wet to set 60 seconds. I definitely needed this because I am notorious of ruining my nail polishes. I don't let it set. मैं इधर उधर हाथ लगा देती हूँ और वो nail polish खराब हो जाती है. मेरे nail polish waste हो जाता है, मेरी मेहनत waste हो जाती है. So I definitely wanted something जो फटाक से उसको set कर दे ताकि I'll be on with my life without waiting for it for like 5 or 10 minutes. Sometimes nail polishes take a very long time to set, which I absolutely hate. This one, on the other hand, I have really high expectations. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm super excited to try this. Next up, I also got a beauty sponge. Now this goes without saying, मेरा जो already beauty sponge है वो खराब हो चुका है. So I got two of these. Actually मुझे एक ही order करना था, but somehow I got two. I think minimum order 2 रहेगा. मैंने देखा नहीं होगा, but I got 2 sponges. This is also from the brand Miniso. And I got Fit Me foundation. Now I really like Fit Me foundation. If you have seen my videos, you know मैं यही foundation use करती हूँ. I do want to experiment with other foundations as well, but this time I got Fit Me 118. This is my color. Actually मेरे mom ने लिया था ये color, and जब मैंने पहन के देखा तो I knew this is my exact shade. This does oxidize a lot, so definitely get a shade lighter than your natural skin tone. And this is perfect for me. This is a new, ये अभी तक open किया नहीं है मैंने, so it has that pump packaging which I really like. I don't have to pour it in, so very happy about this. And next thing I got is an eyelash glue. I don't wear eyelashes often, but I do have an eyelash, but मेरे पास glue नहीं था तो मैं कभी वो भी use नहीं किया है मैंने. So I got an eyelash glue from Miss Claire. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm super pumped to try it. Heard good reviews about it, by the way. The next thing I got, yes, this is from the brand Daughter Earth. It's their AHA, BHA, PHA exfoliating cleanser. Now look at the packaging. It's so premium. It's 800 का है या फिर बहुत expensive है ये face wash. I was literally thinking whether to get it or not, but just look at the bottle. Isn't it a beauty? It's a glass bottle. The color of the face wash is peach. It peeks through and it looks so beautiful. This is a piece of art. The packaging is A1. I would say I haven't tried it yet, but packaging इतना अच्छा है तो I'm hoping कि product भी उतना ही अच्छा हो. It's a very expensive face wash, but it does have, it's like an exfoliating cleanser. You can use it once a day, twice a day. So yeah, very excited to try this as well. And very bougie packaging. एक box खत्म हो चुका है, उसी में ये सारे items थे. Next up, I have one more package. Right, my trusty and the most favorite liquid catsuit. This is from the brand Wet n Wild. I have raved about this lipstick. This is in the shade Mocha. Give me Mocha. I really like it. It's a beautiful shade. Definitely go and grab this shade. Next, I have one last package left. This I've been meaning to get since a very long time. Girl, it looks so pretty. Such a pretty color. And uneven है सब इधर, एक similar color नहीं है, which again is a teller whether it's an original roller or not. And it does feel very cool. against my skin. Great sign that it is an original stuff. The packaging is really good and I did pay a good amount for it, so I definitely wanted something that's original and not fake. Second thing I got is a washer. Now this is 100% natural rose quartz and it definitely does feel cold against my skin. And color bhi agar aap dekhoge, it's a very natural stone color. It's uneven, it's not like one pink color all throughout. These are givers that it's a proper 100% natural product. And they also gave me a free rose water toner, by the way. I'm planning to get the same set for my mom as well. For birthday, she loves to do face massages. She does it religiously every single day. So I think this will be a great addition and she'll definitely cherish it. And that's all the stuff I got from Amazon. All the links will be in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out if you want to get any of this stuff. And बहुत सारा काम बाकी है. I'm gonna start shooting now.
Later that same evening.
Happy birthday to you.
cái này
Đây bạn em mobile hả?
Open
Boleh babre anti kahti.
아직 갈띠가 그 바이산에서 나가.
Di paisa kahti.
네, 하나.
Agar nasa.
아,
Oh my god.
Mobile.
now wait.
Thank you.
kita homework नवीन.
Good morning everybody. Today is Friday. Thursday को मैं ज़्यादा कुछ vlog नहीं कर पाई because मैं पूरा दिन edit कर रही थी, which I didn't even end up finishing it. So I'll probably upload that video on Wednesday. And शाम को तुलसी पूजन था, so we did a little puja. The footage will be right here. Just got another package from Amazon. मुझे लगा सारे packages आ चुके, but apparently not. Let's see क्या है इसमें. I got another nail polish from OPI. Clearly I'm obsessed. And this one is in the shade Chocolate Mousse. It's a very pretty nude color, like a basic color. ये मुझे चाहिए था actually because मैंने black like वो वाले colors लिए हैं और एक pastel color है. So this is like an everyday wear nail polish. If I don't want to go all out and I just want a nice nude color, this is really pretty. Actually I'm very tempted to get my nails done and this has come, but मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, ना shape किया है ना कुछ, and I don't have all that tools to push the cuticles back and all that stuff. Should I still go ahead and apply this? Fuck it, I'm gonna do it. Also, please don't judge my nails, it's really crusty. And today I'm going to edit this vlog and Sham ko I'm going to pick up some important package. I've been waiting to get this for so long. Backstory आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, but ये footage देख लो पहले. दिवाली गिफ्ट दिया है और हम लोग ने ये ऑर्डर दिवाली के 2-3 दिन पहले दिया, विच इज़ वेरी लेट. दिवाली में बहुत लोग ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं, सो उनके पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे ऑर्डर थे. वी न्यू इट्स गोना टेक सम टाइम. ऑल्सो दिवाली पीरियड में कारखाना बंद होता है, ये मैं पहली बार सुन रही हूँ, बट दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. एंड दिवाली के दिन या फिर दिवाली के ड्यूरेशन में तो मुझे नहीं मिल पाया. फाइनली टुडे आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम देम कि हे इट्स रेडी, यू कैन कम एंड गेट इट, व्हिच आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट. आई कांट वेट टू सी इट. ऑब्वियसली आप लोगों ने तो देख लिया होगा, फुटेज पहले से प्ले हो गया, बट आई एम शूटिंग दिस इन द मॉर्निंग. सो या That's it for today's video. I'm ending the vlog over here because ये मुझे edit करके कल upload करना है. आगे का vlog next time दिखेगा because I am planning to do weekly vlogs more often, and I'm really excited about it. Let me know in the comments down below. आपको vlog अच्छा लगता है कि नहीं? Do you want to get to know more about me, my life? I would love to share it with you guys. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, hit the subscribe button. And the comment shout out goes to Purva Shinde. Purva, thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.